Welcome to the series on automation on Mac. In this series, we'll be going through an application called AppleScript, which is built into your Mac. But also on this first video, I want to go over some of the automation tools that are built into Mac and what are the benefits from automation that you can get. So first of all, let's look into the automation tools built into Mac. First of all, the easiest one you'll see is Automator. So in Automator, this is a more visual way of doing everything. This allows you to create basically automation services. So let's just go and create a workflow really quickly just so you can get an idea of what it is. In here you see various different things that you can do. So you see you can create new folders just by dragging and dropping, put the name in there. So let's say hello, create it in the desktop, we run it, and there we go, we've got it created on the desktop. So these are some basic things that you can do. Of course, this isn't really automation there, you can just right click new folder, but this is just an example of a chain of things that you can do, because right after this you can go in and you can, let's say, just put in more things like that, and that just runs one thing after the other, which basically means that, basically getting into one of our first points, automation allows you to get tedious tasks, so basically repetitive tasks, to be done more quickly, so you don't have to be doing it every single time. This just does it all automatically for you. Now this is one of the tools. This is fairly simple. There isn't really a lot of learning that you have to do with this. This is something that's quite self-explanatory. We might run over this a few times in the future on the series, but what we really want to focus on is another tool. So we'll just exit out of this. It's another tool called AppleScript. So if you open AppleScript editor, if you don't have the search box like me, you can go into Applications, go into Utilities, and AppleScript editor is right there. So here, as you can see, this is a blank canvas. You've got to write your code. So this is scripting. So now, just so you get an idea of what this is, we will run over the actual AppleScript program on the next video, but I want to give you an idea of what automation can give to you. So like I said before, it can make your life easier, and you can make your computer work for you. So one example, I like to have my iTunes start up automatically in the morning, so my computer does that for me. I don't have to go in and press play. This is something quite simple, but automatically it does that for me. Also, like I said, you can make repetitive tasks be done quickly and easily. You can also create add-ons to add into your favorite apps so that they work for you in the way that you want. Another cool thing as well is by learning this, by learning AppleScript, you'll be able to show off a few cool tricks to your friends on your computer. Basically, you can get your Mac to do things for you. You can scare some of your friends as well. You can do quite a few cool things with it. And it is also a very easy way to get into programming. Now, just so you get an idea of what we're going to be doing in the series, this is for beginners. So if you are advanced in AppleScript, this is not a video for you. But if you want to get started in programming, if you want to get started with automation on Mac, this is a series for you. So first of all, we're going to be covering basic programming and scripting stuff. So things like mass operations, variables, loops, if statements, and all this sort of stuff like that. I'll also be teaching you how to work with terminal commands within AppleScript. We'll be controlling iTunes. And in the end, we might make some cool tutorials on how to make utilities with AppleScript. So this is just an introduction into automation on Mac. And I look forward to seeing you on the next videos that I teach you AppleScript. Thank you very much for watching.